me something I don't know.
Sleeping till noon. I love watching scary movies. I could stay shopping all day, getting my way and trying on shoes. Don't tell me what I should be doing. Give me a break, I'm just a teenager. I like putting things out till later. Just hanging out, having fun, taking my time. Give me a break, I'm just a teenager. I'm automatically attracted to danger. I can't help myself, can be no one else, I'm just a teenager. I dread making my bed, I wish I could get out of cleaning my room. Cause I hate keeping my friends waiting. Fast cars, playing about hard, googling stars and surfing for tunes. Does anyone here get